Wombat poop is cube-shaped. This bizarre evolutionary trait helps these nocturnal marsupials mark their territory more effectively. Unlike other animals whose droppings roll away, the cube-shaped feces of wombats stay put, forming little stacks that signal their presence. This trait is due to the unique elasticity of their intestines, which compresses the poop into sharp edges. Scientists believe this adaptation helps wombats communicate and navigate their environment, making these little critters even more fascinating. Imagine stumbling upon a neat pile of cube-shaped droppings in the wild, nature's way of saying, "This is wombat country."